What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone and Wi-Fi router. So to restart your phone, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, restart your router. So to restart the router, unplug the router from the electricity and then again replug it. Now after restarting your phone and Wi-Fi router, the Wi-Fi will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then maybe you have enabled airplane mode. So to check, swipe down and here you will see a flight mode icon. So if you have enabled the flight mode or airplane mode, then you will not be able to use mobile data or Wi-Fi. So make sure you have disabled flight mode. And after disabling the flight mode, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is reset network settings. So for this, open settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset mobile network settings and then click on reset settings and enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. Now again click on this reset settings option here to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after doing this, the Wi-Fi will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.